Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix creator font not showing up on TikTok. So watch the video till the end to get the most out of it. So what you guys need to do first to solve this problem is to get into your TikTok application and then click on your profile from over here. And then tap on your menu at the top right corner and click on settings and privacy. After that you guys need to scroll down and click on report a problem. And now from over here you need to click on the pencil icon at the top right corner, and from over here you will find your previous feedbacks. Now you just need to click on the pencil icon again and you will be taken to this so you can report the exact issues. What you need to do now is to write down something like this. Hello TikTok team, the creator font is missing on my TikTok account. Please help me fix this issue. You don't have to write the exact same thing, but something similar to that. So then when you finish, tap on submit from over here. And now it will take a couple of days until the TikTok team responded to you, so they can help you out with the problem. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can fix creator font missing on TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care until next video.